Hello friends, online lecture of object oriented programming. Myself Professor Saukar Dhanashri, Department of Computer. Subject is object oriented programming, unit number 1, fundamentals of object oriented programming. Next topics will be covered up in this lecture: inheritance. In C++, inheritance is a mechanism for building class type from other class type, defining new class type to be a specialization and augments of existing type. Inheritance is subgrouping with respect to a parent are called subclass, derived class and children. The derived class is inherits from all the parent characteristics, properties and capabilities, can modify or extend inherited abilities. The inheritance is considered the vehicle hierarchy. Vehicle, automobile, bicycle and land base. Note that each entity is also a class. Classes are used in an object-centered paradigm as a means of encapsulating common data and function shared by member of the class. Class and instance hierarchy. We actually have two hierarchies: vehicle, my vehicle, land base, my land base, automobile, bicycle, my auto. The hierarchical structure. Single and multiple inheritance is a single inheritance. Each class or instance object has a single parent. Multiple inheritance classes inherit from multiple base class, not have same ancestor from show in example. Define a relationship between several independent class type. Example of multiple parent common ancestor. Virtual inheritance. The derived class attribute inherits attributes and properties from automobile, motorboat and vehicle. Derivation of hierarchy. The derivation of hierarchy, the class vehicle is an abstraction. It is represent an encapsulation of common properties and attributes. Its sole purpose define a class from which to derive other classes. It encapsulated common data members, function members, called abstract base class and abstract superclass. Thank you friends for watching this video.